Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an October plan with me and a mini journaling supplies haul. I recently got some items from this small business that's been started by my friend and I fell in love with everything that she sent me. So I hope you guys like the video. Okay, first off, can we just take a moment to appreciate how beautifully this has been packed? So I got a set of handmade sheets and coffee stain sheets and then these cute paper doilies as well. This black pen which I'll be using in the video and these cute dried flowers. Next up in this packet, beautifully wrapped with twine, there's a set of washi tape testers which contain 6 different designs. Then there are also these beautiful prints on vellum sheets which are so aesthetically pleasing. Then she also sent over this tiny gift for me which contains this really cute bookmark, a postcard and a template for a letter to my future self. This next packet contains these vintage handwritten sheets and black and white pictures which really has my heart. And finally, there are these cute postage stamps which again is just so cute. So the first spread we're doing is a monthly cover and of course I went with the fall theme. I'm defining the margins with these brown sheets and I'm tearing them by hand for a more rustic feel. I have the basic layout sketched already. I'm mainly using sheets from an old book and brown paper for a very vintage and rustic vibe, plus some splash of orange that screams fall. And of course, I'm using these washi tapes that I just got from my friend. Now I'll retrace the calligraphy with this black pen. It has a very fine point and I'm honestly loving the way it's gliding on the sheet. A fall quote that says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and of course, a coffee and a pumpkin doodle. Very cliche. Next up, I'm doodling this very simple flower arrangement as a divider for my mini calendar view for the month and some orange highlights to match the theme. Now I'm filling in the calligraphy I did with the same black pen. Guys, go ahead and give this video a like नीचे thumbs up press करके अगर अभी तक आप लोगों को सही लग रही है वीडियो. काश असली में भी इतना जल्दी हो जाता फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में जितना जल्दी हो रहा है. Moving on, this section is for my monthly goals. I'm adding a quote उसके साइड में that says it's almost that time of the year because ये साल के लास्ट जो 3 months होते हैं ना ये मेरे एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट होते हैं. आई मीन अभी पहले there's नवरात्रे, दुर्गा पूजा, फिर दिवाली, फिर क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर. अच्छा, तो अब my next spread is a content planner. So as you guys know, I create content on Instagram as well as YouTube. So I need to stay organized and plan ahead कि मेरे को कौन से दिन कहाँ पे क्या पोस्ट करना है. So this spread is for helping me plan that. We're going all orange of course. So here I have 2 sheets for the spread. One is for YouTube and the other is for Instagram. By the way, मेरे को अभी जाके आप लोग सब Instagram पे फॉलो करो पहले. My username is सान्या स्वेन जो यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे भी आपको अभी दिख रहा है. तो ये मैंने पूरे मंथ के डेट्स डाल दिए हैं यहाँ पे ताकि मैं रोज़ के पोस्ट्स को मैप कर लूँ. एंड ये YouTube वाले में मैंने गलती से सारी डेट्स डाल दी even though I post once a week. So my next spread is a monthly overview. I am designing the layout of the spread first. I'm adding these margins using brown sheets and old book pages. I am using a single leaf of this cute notepad from Mumuso for defining one section in this layout. Now I'm adding another section for my monthly tasks with this white sheet of paper. Also, as you can see, this is a calendar view for the month. So I have made this grid for the same. Now I will trace out this grid using orange ink to make a calendar. Also guys, are we digging these nails or nah? Tell me in the comment section below. Also, trust me, making this grid is like one of the most time consuming process of this entire bullet journal, and I absolutely hate doing this, but also it is one of the most helpful layouts as well. So you gotta do what you gotta do, bruh. Now adding this quote by Oscar Wilde that says, "And all at once, summer collapsed into fall." I'm tracing some doodles to make it look pretty. I'm doing this Canadian maple leaf, which does not really look like a maple leaf, but there you go. I'm adding a section for October memories because, touch wood, I have some exciting plans for the month. Finally, I'm just making the whole spread look pretty by adding these fall doodles. Ah, looks so pretty. Acha, tell me in the comments which is your favorite season. Is it fall? Is it spring, summer, winters? Comment down below. And this is my playlist for the month section. Welcome to my first weekly spread. So the first week of October barely has 3 days in it, so I decided to keep it simple. I'm just doing a very simple layout for this one, adding a section for my weekly tasks and the 3 days. This particular layout is to not exactly track, but plan my social media posting schedule. Ignoring the mess, I'm adding sections for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And do not worry, I'm going to erase the pencil marks properly later on. My week 2 spread, which will turn out very, very pretty. I'm building the look by adding layers like this handmade sheet by Sunlit Hugs, for instance. It matches both the color as well as the rustic vibe that I'm going for. I'm adding more layers with this old book sheet, which is roughed out at the edges, and a vintagey washi tape. This orange sticky note as a header and a brown sheet for the margin again. Another sticky note here for a quote I need to add. Finally, I'm adding this vintage-ish washi tape to bring the whole look together. So this section goes to my weekly tasks and to-dos. Right below this, I'm setting an intention for the week to honor my future self by working hard today. Now I'm adding these cute dividers for my daily sections for the whole week. We're on to the third week. This time around, I've played with different layouts for my weekly spreads. Let's see which one turns out to be the most effective by the end of this month. For week 4, I decided to play around with the tasks and to do section. So I made like 2 different sections for them, given I will be having more tasks to do this week. Wink wink, wait for the surprise. Added a quote for this week that says, "Take each day as it comes. Breathe. Enjoy every moment." Finally, we're on to our last weekly spread. Again, decided to keep this one way simple. Just added a few sections for my weekly to-dos and dailies, plus a little quote that says, "What's meant for me will be mine." So, this is it. This is how my October spread looks like. Tell me in the comment section below कैसा लग रहा है पूरा look इसका and the whole vibe. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments below. So that is it. I hope you liked my video. Do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Comment down below if you liked the entire theme of my bullet journal for this month. And do not forget to hit the notification bell. Goodbye. See you later.
Boy, boy, oh yeah, ahora que es lo mismo.